Conversation practice about health insurance. I want to purchase some health insurance.
Have you ever purchased health insurance before?
I have health insurance now, but I want to consider other options.
Are you interested in an HMO or a PPO?
Could you explain the difference to me?
To clarify, you pay more with a PPO, but you get to choose your doctor.
When I pay for a service, is the payment the same for a PPO or HMO?
The PPO payments are much higher, but you can go anywhere.
How much will an HMO cost me per month?
Go to our website and fill out the questionnaire. Once we have all of your information, we can give you a quote.
I am calling to purchase health insurance.
Do you have health insurance now?
I was on my parents' policy but must start buying my own.
You can purchase an HMO or a PPO. Do you know what you want?
I am still trying to figure out what I want.
Let me explain it to you. An HMO is cheaper, but you can only choose certain doctors.
When I go to the doctor, do I pay the same out-of-pocket expenses for a PPO?
An HMO's payments are slightly lower if you visit their doctors.
How much will a PPO cost me per month?
We need to factor in many things. Why don't you come in, and we will have you complete a questionnaire.
I need information on purchasing health insurance.
Is this the first time you have had health insurance?
This is my first time buying health insurance.
You have a choice of HMO or PPO. Do you understand the difference?
I am still determining what those are.
An HTML is cheaper, but you have a limited choice of doctor.
If I need to use my insurance, are the payments the same for a PPO and HMO?
You save money on out-of-pocket expenses by going to the providers on the HMO list.
Can you give me a comparison between a PPO and an HMO?
We can mail you a questionnaire, and when we have all of your information, we will send you a quote.